Welcome to the YouTube channel Amazing India. Someone has very rightly said that tourism makes a person perfect. And according to another quote, tourism is an education in itself. Very correct. Who doesn't want to see the sky-kissing mountains, the deep forest, lush green forests, exciting wildlife, sprawling deserts, and deep blue oceans, and also the monuments telling their story of the history. Traveling is definitely enjoyable, but the difficult part is its execution, its planning. When a tourist plans for the visit, he has 5 prime concerns. The first concern is to reach the destination safely. The second concern is to get a comfortable accommodation. The third problem is to get the food better if it is just like a homemade food. And the fourth and the fifth are respectively to go for the local sightseeing and a tourist guide. These are the 5 prime concerns, and people shell out a lot of money on these 5 heads. And obviously it gives a deep burn in our pocket. But if a single shot is provided to solve all these 5 concerns, what you will say? Yes, of course, MP Tourism has given a one-stop solution in this vehicle, Carvaan. This is a great vehicle, and in this video, I'll be explaining you everything about this vehicle, every finer detail about this vehicle, and also the cost portion, that how much you will have to pay to have this vehicle. So please stay with me till the end of the video. If I have to conclude this vehicle in 3 words, I'll just say it's style, luxury, and the ultimate comfort. So let's proceed. Today we have come to cover this vehicle from MP Tourism, that is Carvaan. You are looking just right behind me, and we have Ms. Rashmi Bose with us from Madhya Pradesh Tourism, who will be explaining the finer points of this vehicle. So I welcome Ms. Bose on our platform. So she will be explaining us all the details.
Thank you, sir, and welcome to all the viewers of Amazing India on our caravan.
Yeah, so we will start from the front portion, and now Madam will explain all about this vehicle.
Sir, this is a studio style vehicle which we have designed, and this is the bed. This is a double bed. It can accommodate 2 people, and this is another bed. This is one sleeper, and this is another sleeper. So these are 4 beds, and there is one double bed. So especially in this time, families who have children and elderly people are hiring this vehicle to carry their family from one place to another without coming in social contact with much people around them. See, when we had designed this vehicle, that time our idea was to give a unique experience to the tourists of Madhya Pradesh, that they can travel with their family and cook on way and watch TV on way and sleep while driving. It's just like a home. But in the prevailing condition of the global pandemic, this vehicle is proven to be very, very useful for the tourists as well as the common people, because anybody who wants to shift their family from any other city like Bombay or Delhi to any other place, so they are hiring this vehicle with us, which we give to them after sanitizing, and they are traveling in this vehicle in all safety. Like especially it has been much demanded by people who have elderly people in their family or children, and they want to travel safe, because you see, air travel is not that safe, train is not that safe, but in this vehicle we sanitize it and hand over the key to you, and it's only your family who is traveling, so there is no chance of coming in social contact of any other person. Another feature which we we are providing in this studio style vehicle is this television, this DVD player and the sound system. So while you are on the move, you can enjoy your favorite movies with the best of the sound. See, this idea behind this vehicle was that people wanted to travel with their family in privacy.
So, ma'am, we have covered the front portion, and now we come to the rear portion. Now, please explain what else about you are offering to the people.
These are the cupboards in which you can keep your belongings. They are quite spacious and it's enough to accommodate belongings of 8 people for which the vehicle has been designed. So this is one cupboard, this is another cupboard, this is another cupboard, and these are also cupboard and locker in which you can keep your belongings. This is the fridge in which you can store your drinks or food material brought with you. You can divide the vehicle in the front and rear portion with the help of this curtain. This drapery rod is there, and this is the main feature. This is the microwave oven. So you have to bring in your materials, all your cooking material and the utensil. We are going to give you this microwave oven in which you can cook or you can reheat your food which you have brought with you. This vehicle is having a capacity of carrying 8 people. So this is the 7th bed which I am going to show you. This is the 7th sleeper bed and this is the other bed. We have 3 ACs in this vehicle and this is the 3rd AC. If electricity connection is made available from outside, then you can have a soundproof. Right now it is being run on a generator, so you are listening to this sound. But if you get an electricity connection from outside, then there will be totally no sound and you can have a sound sleep. This is another LCD screen which is provided in this vehicle, and this is one of the 3 ACs which are overall in this vehicle. We have 1.5 ton AC, 3 ACs in this vehicle.
So, madam, you have explained much about this vehicle, but one concern is here that where is the toilet?
Sir, this is the toilet, and I want to tell you that our vehicle has a 500-liter water tank capacity.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the neat and clean toilet which you can have to all to yourself.
Yes, of course, you can see it's really a
It
very
has a
neat
shower.
and clean. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It has a shower.
Okay.
You have just seen our washroom. While designing this vehicle, our main concern was environment also, other than the comfort of the tourist. So this vehicle has a septic tank which prevents disposal of waste on the move. So you can be carefree and you can travel in this without any thought in your mind, without any second thought in your mind about the waste disposal of the washroom. Now let me show you the most interesting feature of this vehicle, that is the kitchen. This is a foldable canopy which you can fold out and it can be retracted back. This is the burner. These are the 4 burners which we have given. These are 2 sinks and these are spice boxes, you can see. In this you can keep your spices or your cutlery or anything you want to keep. And the main thing which I want to tell you that you have to cook yourself or you have to bring somebody with you who can do your cooking. Our helper is there who can assist you throughout your journey. So when you are traveling in our caravan, you can hold the vehicle at any beautiful place by the side of a river or by the hillside or anywhere you want to halt, and you can make your evening tea or you can make your morning tea by the sunrise, or you can take out your chairs. We give 2 chairs in our vehicle, and you can enjoy your snack or you can enjoy your dinner under the sky. What you can do whatever you wish. And this is the LED light. This is daytime, so probably you are not able to see it sparkle, but at night it gives tremendous light for you to cook, and you can also have dinner under this light.
So thank you very much, ma'am. You explained us everything about
My
the
pleasure,
vehicle.
sir.
Yeah, but the most important point is what about the cost? How much a person will have to take off to hire this vehicle?
Yes, sir. We have a team. We have a whole crew which handles the caravan. I think they can give you better information about it. So let's talk to Mr. Shekhar, who takes care of the financial part of the caravan.
ओके, वेलकम मिस्टर शेखर। सो प्लीज़ आप हमें बताएंगे कि आखिर कितनी कीमत किसी व्यक्ति को देनी पड़ेगी इस व्हीकल को हायर करने के लिए?
सर इसमें ऐसा है कि इसकी कैपेसिटी तो 10+1 की है, लेकिन इसमें सोने के लिए अगर आदमी रहता है तो सोने की कैपेसिटी 8 लोगों की है ना। 8 लोगों का सोने का, 8 लोगों का क्रॉकरी का सामान 8 लोगों के हिसाब से ही है, और वैसे बैठना चाहे तो 10+1 है ना। और इसका 60 रुपीज़ पर किलोमीटर मिनिमम चार्ज, इसका मिनिमम रनिंग जो है ना 250 किलोमीटर की है इसकी, प्लस GST है। ठीक है, इसका हेड ऑफिस हमारा भोपाल में ही है। कहीं पे भी डिमांड आती है, जैसे दिल्ली भी जाना है, बॉम्बे जाना है, तो उसका गाड़ी तो जाएगी, लेकिन उसका चार्ज हमारा अवेलेबल यहीं से शुरू हो जाता है, भोपाल से। बाकी जो हेल्पर हमारा रहता है, ड्राइवर साहब रहते हैं हमारे, हेल्पर पूरी मदद करने के लिए पार्टी के साथ रहते ही हैं। बाकी कुक का जो रहता है ना वो तो पार्टी के साथ, बाकी उसमें फ्रिज वगैरह जो दिया है, जो बताया जैसे कि ये सब रख सकते हैं उसमें। बनाना के लिए ये सब खोल देते हैं, सब कर देते हैं, हेल्प जैसी चाहिए कर देते हैं। बाकी बस ये है कि 250 की मिनिमम रनिंग है।
इसके चालक कौन है, क्या मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं?
यस सर, चालक भी हमने अभी जस्ट सामने ही खड़े हैं, मिस्टर रूप सिंह है। ट्रेनिंग भी इसमें दी हुई है और ये चालन करते हैं।
तो रूप सिंह जी, आप बताएं कि अगर मान लीजिए कोई इस गाड़ी को हायर करता है तो आप क्या उसको गाइड भी कर सकते हैं?
जी सर, MP की तो हम लोग पूरी गारंटी लेते हैं कि MP में तो हम पूरे 99% गाइड कर सकते हैं। अदर स्टेट में भी जितना नॉलेज देता है उतना तो गाइड कर ही देते हैं सर।
और क्या आपका अनुभव है इस वाहन को ले आने के? क्या लोगों का रिस्पांस काफ़ी अच्छा है?
जी सर, काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस आ रहा है। जब से हमने गाड़ी खरीदी काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला और काफ़ी अदर स्टेटों में सर्विस दे के आए हैं और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस आ रहा है गाड़ी का। और टूरिस्ट भी काफ़ी खुश होकर जाते हैं सर और बहुत तारीफ करके आते हैं, बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी है भाई।
So, ma'am, thank you very much for telling us each and every detail of it.
My pleasure, sir.
If you want to tell us any further information, please do here.
Yes, I am expecting that all our viewers who are watching this video will definitely book this vehicle and come to Madhya Pradesh or travel across India. So for booking this vehicle, you have to call us at 0755 4027 132. That is the number of the head office of Madhya Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation, which is at Bhopal.
दिस साइड इज अ टेलीफोन। टेलीफोन इज अंदर से कनेक्ट है। ये टूरिस्ट के लिए है टेलीफोन। टूरिस्ट जो भी अपन से बोलता है या गाड़ी रुकवाना ऐसे या कोई समस्या आ रही है उसके अंदर से, तो अपन इससे कांटेक्ट करता है। ये अपना टेलीफोन अंदर से कनेक्ट है। इसके टूरिस्ट के लिए है कि टूरिस्ट को कोई भी समस्या या कोई टॉयलेट जाना है, गाड़ी खड़ी करवाना या किसी की तबीयत खराब है तो अपन को अंदर से बता सकता है इस फ़ोन पे। ये फ़ोन अपने अंदर से कनेक्ट है।
तो सिंह जी, ये जो ग्लोबल पेंडेमिक चल रहा है इसमें कौन कौन से स्थानों पे आपने पिछले कुछ महीनों में विजिट किया है?
अभी दिल्ली बॉम्बे अपने गए, पचमढ़ी अपने लोकल में एमपी में आती है, हिल स्टेशन पचमढ़ी गए अभी, और अपने भीमा शंकर महाराष्ट्र में टूरिस्ट को घुमाया भी हमने।
गाड़ी रात में भी ट्रेवल करती
जी।
है, दिन में भी करती है। सुरक्षा के लिए आपने क्या व्यवस्था करा?
सर सुरक्षा के लिए टूरिस्ट के अंदर से लॉक करना चाहे गाड़ी, तो ये लॉक सिस्टम इसमें, टूरिस्ट अंदर से लॉक कर लेता अपनी गाड़ी, उसको बाहर से कोई नहीं खोल सकता। फिर जब तक हम ना चाहें, अपनी की यूज ना करें, तो बाहर से किसी से नहीं खुलेगा। ये लॉक बहुत सेफ्टी और बहुत मजबूत लॉक है, ये किसी से बाहर से नहीं खुल सकता, तो हम लोग अपनी चाबी ना दें। ये इसकी की एक हमारे पास रहती है, तो ये अंदर से खुलता है। ये टूरिस्ट की सुरक्षा के लिए बनाया गया है।
So I also thank Mr. Shekhar ji, Roop Singh ji, Vipin ji for giving every cooperation in completing this. So friends, I hope that you have liked this video. So please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever the new video comes, you will get the immediate notification. So till next video, it's just namaskar.